Ooh. Yes! I wanted this! Hi everyone! How are you guys doing today? I'm so glad that the gifting season is here and I have a very exciting video for you guys. Or rather, I'm really excited about what I'm about to do. As you already know from the thumbnail, that we are going to open 2 of Ofra's mystery bags. I personally love a good mystery and I love surprise gifts. So this is like, you know, a 2-in-1. I'm really excited about it. These were available on Ofra's website for $25 each, and each is supposed to have a $100 value. And then on top of that, they had a December code that you could use, and that gave you like 40% off. If I find it, I will link it in the description box below. If not, you can still use one of your favorite influencers' code, and I think till end of 2018 you can still get 30% off using an influencer code. With my 40% off, these came out to be only $16 and something, you know, with the taxes. So I'm very excited to get into this and find out if I actually have $200 worth of products in here. First of all, you get like this beautiful makeup bag. This is plastic and it's glittery, and this is one of those like travel or parachute kind of material. I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. So let's get into the first one. I'm so excited. These are, by the way, from Walmart. My son picked them up. They are hair bands from what I can tell, and nobody in our household can tie their hair up, okay? I have the longest hair in the family, so he wanted them, so I think those are going to be jingle bells. Anyways, so this is the first bag. And the first thing I see is a beautiful sapphire eyeliner. Towards the end, we'll kind of, you know, go through the prices for each of the items and, you know, figure out what cost we got out of it. Next, I have a long-lasting liquid lipstick. The shade is called Santorini. It looks very similar to one of my Shop Miss A lipsticks. No, they're kind of different, but this is more warm, so I don't have the color, so I'm excited about that for sure. Next, I have, an Ofra Perfecting Makeup Sponge. I didn't even know they made sponges. Do they make foundations or primers? I don't know. They make sponges. Recently, I tried this sponge and I absolutely love it. I actually have ordered a bunch of these. And one of them is actually going to you guys because I'm going to include it in the current giveaway. Current is because whatever, you know, you'll learn about it in the next video. Anyways, so this is latex free Perfecting Puff Expanding Makeup Sponge. I don't know. I'll have to see how it works out and I'll tell you guys in a future video. So I have a perfecting sponge. I'm not much of a sponge user, but this guy has converted me and I have started testing out different sponges, so maybe this will turn out to be an awesome little thing that I gained. Okay, so 3 items so far. Then I have this is a blush. It is a 4-gram pan. The shade is called Pink Lady. That looks intense. I have a few Ofra blushes and yeah, that looks really intense. Anyway, so I have a blush. Oh, these two go well together. So, okay. Next, I see another eyeliner and it is a teal shade. For some reason, it's not wrapped. Like this one is sealed. I don't know if you guys can see that. Anyway, so this is the color. The shade is called Turquoise. So since this is open, let's swatch it. It's a very pretty color. I have a lot of turquoise eyeliners though. Anyways, let's go ahead. Ooh. Yes! I wanted this. So I have a gigantic 10-gram pan of the Egyptian clay bronzer. I don't know if this is called a pyramid bronzer or something. This is what kind of the pan is. There is another shade here, but you won't be able to see it because it's too close to my skin tone. Super happy to get that. These pans are pretty expensive if I'm not wrong. So, oh, there's another thing in here. What? This is an Ofra corrector tripod in mint, light, and amber. That's such a useless thing to have in a mystery bag, especially because it is kind of skin tone dependent, isn't it? I guess the sponge will go with that. I'll give it a try. Okay, so that's it for the first bag. That's $100. Well, I guess these are in the ranges of like $30. These are 20, but this looks like the old container, so let's say 10. The liners are, I think, in the ranges of 10, so 20, 30. This is a smaller pan, so let's say $10. 40, 50, 60, 70. I'm gonna assume this is 70. I don't know how much the sponge is. Let's say it's $5 or $10. $10, okay. 80. Okay. So about $90 so far. All right, let's get into the second bag. Here I have, okay, another sponge. I see 2 lipsticks in here. Okay, so one is a super light shade called Daytona Beach, and the second one is the same shade, Santorini. So yeah, that's definitely either going on Mercari or towards a future giveaway. I see 2 more liners. So I have a lip liner here in a shade that is too close to my skin tone. So this shade is supposed to be mauve. What? I don't know how this is mauve. This is very cool toned brown according to me. And the second one is same shade as the other bag, turquoise. All right. Then I have an eyeshadow. Okay, this is an eyeshadow. The shade is called Victory. This is a 2-gram pan. So I have some of their pro palettes that I purchased at Gen Beauty. So yeah, these two look pretty alike, don't they? Either that or this. Oh, I think it's this one actually. Let's watch it. Okay, that's a pretty kind of goldeny bronze shade. It's right there. I guess I can even use it as a bronzer if I wanted. If I wanted a shimmery bronzer. So since I already have it, I have to put it in a giveaway. Okay, kind of slightly disappointed in the second bag. Ofra, if you're watching this, why? Like, if someone orders 2 mystery bags in the same order, can they kind of like jumble up the things? I have the exact same thing again. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I don't know how much. I think her eyeshadows are in the range of like $10. So 70. That's it. That is not $100. Okay. Huh. I didn't order these. Oh, so I have 2 palettes that are basically one with each mystery bag. So let's see. So you get a magnetic palette and a whole bunch of eyeshadows inside. I'm just like, there's some powder at the bottom. I'm just swatching it to see. That's a very close to my skin tone shade. There's a gray kind of, this is an interesting shade. I don't know if I have it. The black seems to be an interesting shade. Okay, let's open the second palette. I was hoping for different colors, but no, they're identical palettes. How many shadows will it hold? So this palette will hold about 18 shadows, I would say. Oh, the lighter shade is so pretty. I'm not swatching them. I'm just like, there's a little bit of powder underneath. So I'm just picking up the powder. So let's see if I already have them. So I definitely have like this deeper bronze color. This black in the pan looks a bit more shimmery. The black in here is like fully matte. So this palette was completely matte. So I don't have like this slightly shimmery gray with slight shimmer to it. It's a very pretty color. And then I definitely have the cream shade. I have the greenish gray shade. So like that's the whitish shade. That was the other greenish gray or grayish. It's more gray, less green. Like, so that's the shadow there. And the brown, I don't see it in here. So I guess I don't have that warm brown shadow. Okay, so out of the 6 shadows that I received, I have the top 3. I don't have the bottom 3. So, okay, I'm okay with that. Ofra shadow formula, by the way, is pretty good. Like their mattes as well as their shimmers are really good. Okay, so we have a palette also. So let's kind of sum up what we received. Give me a second to look up the prices. All right, so I have looked up all the prices and made totals. I'm not gonna assign any value to the bags themselves, but if you want, you know, they're not bad. I usually don't use them. If you have ever purchased these bags, you can assign some value to them, but I'm not going to at this point. So let's go through these items. The first item is this corrector trio, and it's not even available on Ofra's website, so I couldn't find a value on the website itself. However, if I Google it, Ulta has a similar item for $17, but that has like 3 different skin tone colors, and I would have preferred that. And this exact thing is available through Google, through different websites for about $16. So this can be anywhere between $0 to $16 based on what value you assign to it. If I want to say it's on sale, I'm gonna assign it $5, okay? Now the makeup sponge is $15. The eyeliner in turquoise is on sale for $9. It was originally $13. The eyeliner in sapphire is still $13 on the Ofra website. The lipstick, these particular lipsticks I couldn't really find on Ofra's website as they have revamped the packaging, but these were available on sale recently for $10 each. So all these like older style lipsticks, I'm gonna assign a $10 value to them. You have 1 lipstick, so that is $10. Then we have the blush in Pink Lady. A 4-gram pan is available for $12 on Ofra's website. And then the item that I'm most excited about out of all the products that I received in both the beauty bags is the Egyptian clay bronzer highlighter combo, and that one actually retails for $29. These exact eye palettes or magnetic palettes, I couldn't really find them on Ofra's website. There were some similar ones which were marked down from $30 to $15, but those seem a little bit bigger than the ones that we received. But I could find a similar one for $10 in Nordstrom Rack. And then among the eyeshadows, the grayish eyeshadow called Exquisite is on sale for $3, whereas all the other eyeshadows are $12 each. So all in all, the first bag is valued anywhere between $161 to $177 based on what value you assign to the corrector. Now going into the second bag, again we have the same corrector, $0 to $16, sponge $15. We have 2 lipsticks here which are $10 each, so $20. We have 1 lip liner in Wow, which is $13. The eyeliner in turquoise again, which is $9. The eyeshadow in Victory is $12. The eye palette again $10, and the eyeshadows all together $63. So the second bag is anywhere between $142 to $158. So overall, I do feel like these bags do contain the minimum $100 value, which is great. However, I feel like this particular item is useless. They should not have even put it in because it's very skin tone specific. Plus, not everybody uses a corrector. And Ofra is not even known for its corrector, so it's kind of boring. I feel like whenever they do these mystery bags, they should add products that will get people excited about Ofra products so that, you know, they'll go back and buy more. But anyway, I guess this is the way that companies clear out old inventory. So I'm guessing, you know, that's what they're doing with this corrector tripod or whatever. In general, I am happy to receive a sponge to try in this bag. I'm very happy about the colored eyeliners because I love colored eyeliners in general. I like the metallic lipstick, though the other matte lipstick is pretty useless for me. I'm very excited about the magnetic palette. I love having magnetic palettes, and because I love making my own eyeshadows as well, you know, I'm always looking for more magnetic palettes. so I don't have to make my own to keep my future items. I wish I would have received a different blush color, but this is an unusual color. I don't have it in my collection, you can say. So that way it is good. I'm very happy about this. I was looking into this item, and this itself retails for $29. I paid $33 for both the bags together, so that way I am pretty glad that this was included. In terms of eyeshadows, I do have 3 shades that I don't own from Ofra, so that's a good thing. I wish they would have included more colorful shadows though. And just looking at the 2 bags, if I would have ordered just one and received just the second bag, I would have been really disappointed, I have to say, because I cannot use this lip color. I cannot use this lip liner shade because it's pretty much my skin tone, you know, though I like the turquoise eyeliner, and because I already own a bunch of other Ofra shadows, the value for the second bag would only have been for me like the 1 shimmery lipstick, 1 eyeliner, 3 eyeshadows, 1 magnetic palette, and the blender for $16.50. Well, I guess that's not bad. That's like drugstore price. I wish that they would have kind of balanced out the bags better, that the second bag also had like at least 1 face product and it's not just like eye and lip heavy. Overall, I thought it was fun. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how you would have felt if you would have received just 1 bag over the other. If you have done mystery bags before, let me know what company you have ordered them from and what your feeling has been about them. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a giant thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I love to hear from you guys. I miss your comments, so please leave me more comments. Alright, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
All right.